versus Jade Moonbro.
No, low key.
Low
Alright.
keys. Alright, stand up. Vanguard.
Okay. I'll stand drop. Drop a fire red. Pass turn.
And draw. Charge 3. Discard Cycler.
Right.
Draw for second. And then Cycler, I'll soul this one. Bot deck. Draw. Kill myself.
Cool.
Disable.
No guard this.
Okay.
Damage creature.
No.
Stand draw. I'll drop a Thunderbolt.
Okay.
Ride. Skill of the grade 1. Skill of grade 1, search Thunderbolt. That one's a hand. There you go. It's getting shuffled up.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Call.
It's cheating.
Little Battleface is gonna be actually 18.
Give you an insane one task.
Check does not pass. Go ahead.
And draw. Charge 3. Huh, guess what? I just got another cycler.
This guy's got psyches for days.
Right. I'm gonna search first. I just cut into it. Insane.
Coming insane.
And then cycler. Same thing. So that's one bot deck. I'll draw. Polygonous. Top 7. 5, 6. Maelstrom to hand. I'm gonna put him in the soul.
Sure.
Guess what? I'll do it again.
Let's just try winning.
Maelstrom to hand.
Hang on.
Guess what I'm gonna do?
Learn full.
Yeah.
EO.
Good boy.
This guy's cool.
I'll show the world the real you.
The good boy.
This is one out.
Why? We need eye freako, bro. Eye freako for the leaves.
Fuck is green for?
Probably good, bro. No word.
Okay.
Thunderbolt, tragic.
10.
15.
Here you go.
Stand draw.
I'm just gonna bind 2 of my reverts.
I'll go to 6.
Unless you can.
Ditching a Thunderbolt. Red. Top 7. 4, 5, 6. Bro, don't whiff on me. Oh my god, this whiffed. So many. Actually, there's not that many now. Probably cards in this stuff. 2 here. The whiffing is crazy. So you got a whole lot of nothing there. Soul Blast 1 for Vanguard skill. Target 2 of your rear circles. My Vanguard swings into these 2 and your Vanguard.
Yep.
Like this. I'll proc fire red and drop. Move it from play. Top 5. 4, 5. Just call the ball Fossy.
Do you mind my guys this turn?
If I decide to proc the orb.
Which you did, right?
I have nothing to do that. I can play it from drop.
Okay.
So I'll add the belly player. I'll use Belfasti skill. Energy Blast 3, card from hands to soul. I'll stick in a Belfasti. Draw 2. It's not help too much. I'll play the order from draw. It gets bound. Yeah, anything I swing into that gets retired would be bound. Release off my main base here. Sure, I'll go battle for you. Actually, pop this first. Actually, no, I'm sorry to do that. I'll go battle phase. I'll swing them. Vanguard is swinging 13, 21. Yeah, just 21 into your opponent, basically. And Bellicossi gets 5 full.
More like that. Oh, here you go.
Oh, no guard?
Yeah.
Sure, drive checks. First, PG.
I should
Second,
have it.
Rising Phoenix.
PG.
Sure, under the battle skill, I'll discard a Phoenix from hand to give you damage.
You're not on turn 2.
Actually. I'm going to drop all
Oh, wow, you can.
this first. I'll do the skill of this first. Soul Blast 1. Soul Blast about costing. I'll call this up here.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, skill of this. I'll discard a Phoenix. Giving you damage. Since you have no rear guards, my front row is +5 again. This is going to be 13 men.
I'll give you real estate.
Sure, 20. And I'll be turning up in prop, so you can just go ahead.
And then treachery. This guy's cycler. Ride. Cycler first. I'll one of these guys. Soul Limit, Soul Blast 1, Bot Deck. Draw. And then Algos, top 7. 5, 6, 7. All title assault.
Yeah.
Play Judgment Maelstrom from hand, and we'll call out Real Assault back here. And then Vanguard Seal, since I have a Maelstrom in Soul, I'll discard 1. Call Maelstrom out from drop. And then skill of Cutlass, I'll Boss Finger, draw 1.
Yeah.
So since I have 1 order in my order zone, my front order gets +5. Vanguard is swinging for 23, Maelstrom gets +5 on thing.
Sure, so this is 23 to then.
Yes.
23 to then, I'll lower at this one. Damage check. No trigger.
Yes!
Oh, no defenses, I'm cooked.
This is 15 Vanguard.
Intercept.
CP1 reset. Vanguard is swinging 18 to face.
18 is all. Guard the flag, it's easy.
First check. Will stop. Second check. Heal. I do not heal. I'll get power to Maelstrom here. This Maelstrom is swing again. It gets another +5, so this will be 28 to Vanguard.
28 to then I'll take. No triggers.
Yeah. Look at that. Draw 1. This swing Vanguard. This is 23.
I'll give you 15. Let's get stuck in the soul.
End of battle. This will still last 1. I will swap these 2. And then this will swing Vanguard. This is 33. Kill this and all for 1.
33 all no red. Damage check, no trigger.
Yep. End of turn, this Maelstrom will go back to this hole,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can go.
I'll stand up a turn. I'll charge with 6. I guess we'll personalize the blood. Draw one. That's pretty good. I'll start off talking Vanguard skill. Soul Blast 1. Soul Blast, Persona, targeting the Maelstrom and the Tidal Soul. I'll proc Eternal Thunderbolt, finding it from drop, so anything hits bound. And then I'll proc the skill of only 1 or 2 Phoenixes here. Guess I'll do 2 Phoenixes. Soul Blast 2, call them.
Yep.
Yeah, sure. I'll call a Sparkspike.
Yep.
Another one. Since I have a Naru Vanguard, everything in front is 5k. Yep. Plus 5. Personally, it takes me to plus 10. Yep. Let's see. I guess I'll do it like this then. This is going to be swinging 23 to them.
I'll guard with 8.
Mm-hmm. I'll swing my band into your front row.
How much?
This is going to be 13, 23 to them.
23. Power doesn't get plus 5?
No.
Yeah, 2 more attacks on this.
Yep.
Doesn't it?
Cards in hand is 3 right now.
Do any of these draw?
These 2 at the end of the battle they boost, they can retire and draw. Or not retire, EB3 and draw.
Ah, no guard.
Okay, first check. Draw, I'll draw.
Is it good?
I'll feed the power to the Phoenix over here.
Yeah.
Second check. Heal.
Pretty good.
I'll feed the power to the Sparkspike down here.
1 damage.
Yeah, 1 damage.
These 2 damage. Power damage.
End of the battle. Actually, first I'll Soul Blast 1. Proc the Phoenix in my draw.
Yeah.
To call on top of this one. And then end of the battle, I'll discard a card from hand. Just thinking on what's. Sure, I'll ditch a Shadow here.
Yeah.
Ping you with damage.
1 damage. Power Vanguard.
And since my Vanguard's attack hit 2 or more times, the things in front of the Spark Spikes get 10.
Yeah.
So this goes up another 5.
Yeah.
Sure, I'll swing on this one. First is going to be 28, 38, 46.
38 to number.
Sure, I'll EB the draw 1. That's not, yeah, okay. Draw 1. Same thing, 46.
46 cards in hand.
Right now 6. 7 after this draw.
This is 1 damage.
1 damage.
I do deal. Power Vanguard. I will.
Sure. Blast 3, draw 1. You can go ahead.
Stand and draw. Persona. Draw. Church. Listeners, top side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. There's 1 turn. 7 cards in hand, yes. This goes to hand, and then I'll strong.
Yeah.
should have been ordering this one. I'll shuffle this one, so. And then I'll play order.
Sure.
Call this Maelstrom. It'll get +5.
Yep.
Maelstrom skill, I will discard one. Call this. Where is he? Call Maelstrom out from Soul. And then I'll boss to control.
Sure.
Yeah, so this one gets the reset. Since I have 2 orders in order zone, my problem gets another +1. This is 38 to Vanguard, on swing it gets +5.
28. Crit star then. Oh my god, we cancel.
Yep. I will CB1.
Yep.
Reset. This is 30 to Vanguard.
30 to Vanguard, I'll give you 10 here.
Yep. Say my CB. This is 33 to Vanguard. I'll rest 2 orders, so you cannot guard with the Sentinels from hand to Guardian Circle.
Sure. 33, right?
Yes.
Triggers out.
Triggers out. Well, I hit 3 defenses, so 3 in damage. 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 triggers out. Okay.
7 triggers out. Yes.
9 minutes. I mean, how many more swings after this?
1 and 2.
And one of them potentially also has PG restrict, right?
No,
Oh, it's just one?
just one of them. Or just this, because I only have 2 orders.
3 swings left, so it's literally do I want to be greedy or not?
Yeah.
Huh. I mean, that's the way I'm looking at. I'll give you a 2+. Or, no, this gets me to 50 today.
So, yeah, 2 pass.
Yeah.
Draw.
No, pass it.
I can draw first, right?
Yep.
Cards in hand.
Sitting on 4.
Okay, either way, I'm ripping all the cards out of your hand, I think. Let's see, this goes to, this is 43. This is also big. I'll just go Power Vanguard. Second check. Crit. All effects Vanguard.
Don't check. No trigger. GG's.
GG's.